Hello, I'm in a 2012 Kia Rio, and today I'm going to show you to open the trunk. So that rear fifth door. So first, make sure all your doors are unlocked, which you can also do from here. Then we'll go to the back. And just kind of right in the middle here, there's like a little button. It's like an electronically controlled button, so you want to make sure there's power to your vehicle. But that's, if you can see, that's what it looks like. That right there's the button. And as you click it, it's opening that. So that's what all the inside looks like. And then this is where it was hooked onto. If you have any issues with this system, you can also pop this little cover here to get inside, so you can release this from the inside to open as well. You just have to climb through these back seats to get here. But I hope that's helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.